Which bird is known for drumming on trees to communicate? Woodpecker. What is the smallest species of owl? Elf owl. Which mammal can sleep for up to 20 hours a day? Koala. What bird feeds its chicks by regurgitating partially digested food? Albatross. What animal has the most powerful sense of smell? Bear. Which bird is known for its unusual moonwalking courtship dance? Mannequin. What mammal has the longest tail relative to body size? Pygmy jerboa. Which bird build huge communal nests for up to 100 pairs? Sociable weaver. What is the largest freshwater fish in the world? Beluga sturgeon. Which animal can jump up to 200 times its body length? Flea.